The United Kingdom, a comprehensive profile. The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland remains a central pillar of global politics, finance, and culture, as a union of four distinct nations: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. It represents a unique blend of ancient tradition and cutting-edge modernity. Geography and the four nations. The UK is an archipelago located off the northwest coast of mainland Europe. Its geography is defined by its maritime climate and diverse terrain. England, comprising the central and southern two-thirds of the island of Great Britain. It is the most densely populated nation, featuring the vast London metropolis and the industrial centres of the north. Scotland, occupying the northern third of Great Britain. Scotland is defined by its dramatic highlands, expansive glens, and a coastline dotted with hundreds of islands. Wales, a mountainous nation to the west of England. It maintains a strong Celtic heritage and is officially bilingual, English and Welsh. Northern Ireland, situated on the northeast of the island of Ireland. It shares a land border with the Republic of Ireland and is known for its lush, emerald landscapes. 2. System of government. The UK's political system is a constitutional monarchy paired with a parliamentary democracy. It does not have a single written constitution. Instead, it relies on a collection of statutes, common law, and conventions. The role of the Crown. The monarch serves as the head of state, while the monarch is the symbol of national unity and performs ceremonial duties such as the state opening of Parliament. They remain politically neutral. The Westminster Parliament. The supreme legislative body is the UK Parliament, which consists of the House of Commons, 650 elected members of Parliament MPs. This is the primary chamber where laws are proposed and debated. The House of Lords, an unelected second chamber that acts as a revising chamber, scrutinizing legislation and holding the government to account. 3. Economy and global standing. As a G7 member, the UK possesses one of the world's most sophisticated economies. Its transition from a manufacturing powerhouse during the Industrial Revolution to a high-tech service economy is a defining feature of its history. Financial services. The City of London is a global epicenter for banking, insurance, and foreign exchange trading. Education and research. The UK is a global leader in higher education. Its universities are hubs for research in life sciences, artificial intelligence, and aerospace engineering. Soft power through the BBC, British cinema, and the global popularity of the Premier League. The UK exerts significant cultural influence, often ranking at the top of global soft power indices. 4. Contemporary challenges. In the mid-2020s, the United Kingdom faces several pivotal issues that are shaping its future trajectory. demographics and social trends in 2026. The social fabric of the UK is constantly evolving. As of 2026, several key trends define the nation's social landscape: urbanization and regional growth. Over 80% of the population lives in urban areas. There is a growing trend of re-urbanization in cities like Manchester, Leeds, and Birmingham, which have seen massive residential growth in their city centers as young professionals move back to urban hubs. This has sparked ongoing national debates about housing affordability and the need for sustainable urban planning, the green transition, and public opinion. Public opinion in the UK is among the most environmentally conscious in the G7 via transition to electric vehicles (EVs) and the phase-out of traditional gas boilers are central topics of household discussion. This green revolution is not just a policy goal but a visible change in British life, seen in the proliferation of wind farms across the coastline and charging stations in residential streets. A multicultural identity. The UK remains a highly diverse and multicultural nation. Census data from the Mai 20. Reflects a country that is increasingly comfortable with its multi-ethnic identity, while debates regarding immigration levels and integration continue to influence the political landscape. The cultural integration seen in British food, music, and public life suggests a nation that is deeply globalized and forward-looking.